Hi, my name is Brian Husman. I am the Vice President of Network Solutions. I've been here a little over 9 years. Really, RPM spending as much time and energy generating that feeling, that experience, to make it important for the employees. It has then enabled our employees to turn around and create that great experience for the carriers we do business with and the shippers that we do business with. I think logistics brings a new adventure every day. It's a new problem, new technology. How do we enable the clients that we do business with to have a much cleaner supply chain? To boil it down, logistics is fun. We actually care and show that we care and do all of those activities that help people just live their life and make an income and create a career. Like, that's exciting stuff.